Giving you an update on Skillz and Fubotv. Stay tuned, you really don't want to miss this one. Guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing and giving you an update on Fubotv and Skillz as well, okay? About a month ago we did a video on both of these companies, and we said it was the perfect time or the best time to buy calls on these companies, leap year options, okay? And on that video, we're going to put it on the description below so you can check it out when we did it about a month ago. And I just wanted to recap to kind of give you guys an idea of where we were at back then and where the price is at now. And if you took full advantage of that situation, you're probably going to be pretty good right now, okay? So with that, let me get into this video real quick. Also, if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us there, because we constantly give out plays. We constantly let you guys know what we're doing, what plays are hot, stuff like that, okay? Follow us at InvestingOG on Twitter, okay? And if you're not following us on here, on YouTube, make sure you follow us on here. Let me get into the first company. The first company is Fubotv. You know, I'm big on Fubotv. I've always been there since day one. It's gone up all the way to $60, $70. It came back down all the way to about 15 bucks, but we're still there, okay? Still holding strong on this company. And about a month ago, if we go back on the chart, about a month ago, we were right around $16, $18, okay? And I said it was a perfect time to get into the leap year options, because at that time I thought it was at a very, very discounted price, and it's still at a very good price as we speak, and I'm still adding shares of this company, okay? I like to dollar cost average on my plays. I like to, when I feel that it's a good opportunity to buy, I feel like, you know, I keep adding to my plays because I think that this company is going to be worth a lot of money in the future, okay? When we're in the play at the moment, like say for example these last few months, it seems like it just keeps going down and down and down, but there's always going to be a turnaround, guys. And right now you're starting to see that turnaround a little bit in the market, okay? You're kind of like seeing the turnaround going from the Dow, going into these, like going into the Russell, going into these small cap companies, going into these high growth companies. Money starting to flow back into these companies. So I think it's still an awesome time to buy these companies, because you're still at a great price, okay? If you compare it to a month ago, obviously it was lower, but you're never going to catch the bottom. So wait for a dip on this company. I would suggest, if you're planning to get into this company, opening a position, wait for a little bit of a dip. It's kind of ran up a little bit within the last week or so. Within the last week, it's gone from $21 to a high of about 26, and it came back down to about 24. So I'm thinking a sweet spot would be anywhere from 20 to 21. That would be a place where I'd be adding some more shares of this company, okay? But if you did do the leap option calls on this, and if you're not familiar with the leap option calls, make sure you watch some of our videos. We go through them and we kind of describe to you exactly what you need to do to get in that position. You want to catch these plays when they're low, so that way you can ride them up high, okay? That's the first company, Fubotv. So since then, it's gone up pretty darn well. It's in the last month, it's gone up. What is it? Over 20%, almost $5 in the last month. So that's awesome money on your money. Okay, so if you multiply that $1, I think the delta on that was about $60. So you'd be up pretty nice on this play if you did it. Okay. The second play that we wanted to touch on, remember guys, is just an update on a previous video. Is Skillz, ticker symbol SKLZ. That's another company that I'm big on, okay? Skillz, and I have a lot of shares of it, over 1,000 shares of Skillz. Constantly adding to this position as well, okay? I've been selling puts as of late because I just see that it's going to continuously go up. Been selling puts, but in case it does drop with the puts, we also made videos on that. With the puts, you get your favorite companies at a discounted rate, okay? So watch that video as well. Go into our other videos if you want to start selling puts as well. With this company, about a month ago, we did the same thing, and we said back then it was about $15, okay? On Skillz, it was about $14, $15. It continued to dip a little bit a few days after, and it reached a low of about $12, $13, okay? But soon after that, soon after we did the video, play took off, and right now it's currently trading at $16.89. At one point it was as high as about 17, 18 bucks. Today it did pretty well, ran up to about 17 something, and then it came back down. So you're starting to see these small cap plays start coming back around, okay? You're starting to see these small cap plays start coming back around, and it's important that you position yourself when the market is low. I know that within the last few months we've had a big dip in the market, especially for high growth stocks, but it seems like it's starting to turn a page. Although you have to be careful, because at any given moment, you know, the Fed could come out with higher interest rates. It's gonna affect high growth stocks, okay? It's gonna affect it. That's why as of late I've been selling a lot of puts on a lot of different companies that I like, that I want to acquire more shares of. Beautiful thing about selling puts is that you can acquire that stock at a discounted rate, or if it goes up, if the stock goes up when you sell the put, you can also close out your position and just receive the premium that you got from that play, okay? So with that, guys, just didn't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to give you an update on some of the plays that we've done and where they're at now. And if you followed along, and if you're following us, make sure, if you found any of this information informative, to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you get these videos, because some of these videos that we put out, I mean, we put them out with time, and soon enough these plays start running up. So if you're following us, you could pick up on these plays, and then you could ride the train with us as well. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice, but this is just what we're doing, okay? With that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.